What if I record every single trading day of my life as a professional trader for you guys, just for educational purpose? All right, I started this recently. I promised you guys that I was going to record every single trading day of my life, and that is exactly what I'm doing. When I wake up early in the morning in my country, this is some few minutes to 8 a.m. London time, and I basically trade the London session most of the time. And the London kill zone is one of my favorites. And I trade USD paired currencies, and sometimes if I find opportunities in futures indices. So live trade analysis. What I normally do when I wake up early in the morning, I do intermarket analysis because I trade USD pairs. I check the DXY. All right. DXY is one of my go for the analysis. Now, this is what is happening for DXY. Let me show you what is happening right here. In the 15-minute, we've seen price pushing down, but let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I trade intraday, so I don't want to suffer myself with checking what is happening somewhere else. So what I see on DXY is what is happening now. Let me show you. Can you see? Let me see this. Right here, we have a shift in market structure. All right. That is a shift in market structure because we can see price pushing below here, shifted structure, and then it's shifting structure to the upside again. And look at this perfect analysis. We have price coming into this fair value gap in the 4-hour time frame. I don't want to check the daily time frame. All I want to do is to check this, what is happening. The daily time frame is also behaving. It's telling you that price want to go up. Look at this buying pressure, price pushing into this area, and then boom, we are up there. So the 4-hour time frame is my go for because I'm trading intraday. Price is pushing into this, fair value gap. The next thing to do is to go to the lower time frame, such as 1-hour time frame, and see if there is another point of interest price may decide to reverse from. Now, very importantly, let me just refine this area. Very importantly, look at this. Does this look like a breaker? Yes, this looks like a breaker. Very important. If you check this, let's see where our breaker is lying. Is it in the discount area where price may eventually? Yes, we have a confluence. That is basically a unicorn confluence. All right, unicorn confluence. So price is coming down into this fair value gap right now, and coupling with the fact that we are sweeping, if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, we are sweeping the Asian low liquidity. Please follow through. I'm going to record this because I told you I was going to do everything possible to make sure that you get the knowledge you need. So right here we have liquidity being swept below here, and I can see that price is pushing even below this liquidity. Now all I need is for price to shift structure in the lower time frame. If I see a shift in structure return to a point of interest, I am going to go bullish on the DXY. And what does that mean to foreign currencies? Let me show you. All foreign currencies such as Euro, USD, GBP, USD, or you're trading, let me adjust this, GBP, USD, or you're trading Australian dollar, USD, all of it will be bearish, That is the bias. If DXY is going up, that means it will be bearish. So DXY is supposed to be bullish today, and I will go to GBP, USD, and check what is happening to GBP USD. Very importantly, guys, the 15-minute time frame is my go for time frame. Right here is what is happening. Let me show you. Can you see price sweeping liquidity above Asian high? Right here. All right. This indicator is easily gotten. All you have to do is to go to indicators and search for an indicator called Asian range and kill zones by this guy NXR group, and select it. It will automatically plot the range of Asia. And if you want to get it correctly, you can go to settings, come to events, and then session breaks. Session breaks basically gives you, look at this. This is the dead hour, and this is Asia, the entire movement of Asia. So what you have here is a special day starting up. Now we know that the DXY is about to go up. Now what we need to do is to go to our foreign currencies. Now all I need is for a shifting market structure. A shifting market structure is much easier to get. What I need is for price to push below here, shift structure, and then I'll get into the trade. I'll patiently wait if price gives me that shifting structure. If I never see shifting structure, I am not going to take the trade. Let's check Euro USD, and if I can see any, okay, look at Euro USD. Look at Euro USD happening here. Now Euro USD is more aggressive, is strong. Now in the other hand, if you want to know which of them you want to use, whether GBP USD or Euro USD, you can check Euro GBP pair, so you will know which of them is stronger. If Euro is stronger, that means GBP is weak, and that means USD will drag GBP. So let me show you that. That is a simple, can you see? Euro is very strong. Euro is very strong. It has already moved and has given anybody that wants to take the trade. Now coming back, it means, look at this, Euro GBP, it means Euro is stronger. If I should go back to what I will trade, I will prefer to trade GBP USD because GBP is weaker, so USD has a potential of dragging GBP downward. So that is basically what I will do. I will start from here, and then once the setup comes, I will take the trade, and then I will put it in my journal, which is right here. I will record everything, and then I will share with you. That's basically what I do every day. I will record it for you guys to get into the trade. So it is a simple rule. If this trade gives me setup, I will take the trade. If it never gives me, I will rest. I'm not going to take trade. In the London session, I will wait for New York. That's basically how to do trading every day, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Recording continues. Now something has happened. All right, my setup came in, but then I took the trade. I got stopped out. 7 pips stopped loss. All right, so let me show you what happened, and then I will still get an opportunity to enter the trade, but I will show you what I did and what actually happened. So I told you that as soon as I see that shifted market structure in the 5-minute time frame, initially I was going to take the trade. That was exactly what I shared with you. Let me show you. This was the shifted market structure that I was expecting to come in, and then I will pull the trigger. So I saw this shifted market structure. Let me replay it here. It came in right here. Let me show you right at this point. This was the shifted market structure that I was expecting, because price actually closed below here. All right, this was a low, price pushed and it crashed. It closed below here. It left me with a fair value gap right above here, and then this particular bearish mitigation block. And I said, yes, this is exactly what I needed to get the entry. So I said, okay, come back to this particular fair value gap, this very small fair value gap, and then I will enter the trade and target this place. That was what I said. All right, so I already recorded everything on my journal showing it. I was going for this particular trade, GBP USD, everything. I said it right there. News effect was actually what brought me out of that particular trade, and then I was stopped out right here. So after making sure that my analysis was perfect and I was ready to get into the trade, you see this shifting market structure was having momentum, unlike the push-up. So I was thinking this was going to be a perfect trade. I was risking just 7 pips. Let me show you. 7 pips, just 7 pips, because that was where my stop loss should be ideally. So boom, I was in the trade. I saw this and I was, yes, this was the right trade I was looking for. And then boom, I got stopped out. What happened? Now that was when I realized that today has so many high impact news. So the news on euro and all these ones, the effect of that news was what actually turned the market direction. So when I checked euro USD, I decided to see what was happening. Euro USD came in massively. Let me show you. All right, euro USD, you see the news was coming in, and the reaction of that news was what we are seeing right now. So look at this. I actually missed that particular trade, and I was waiting for euro USD to give me an entry. I did not enter this one. Actually, I did not enter this one. The news on Euro USD was massive, so I'm trying to avoid anything. All right, but then if I see an entry, I will take it on this particular pair. So that's basically what I do every day. Trading can be so easy if you can manage your risks and repeat the same thing every day. It's pretty much easy. New York session, I will take another trade, but then this is the one I'm taking from the London session. Later we will do another one for New York. If I see an entry, or even this one, if I see a perfect entry, I will take the trade and show you how far the trading journey has been. All right, so that's basically what I'm doing, guys, every day. I'll stop it here. If I see an entry, I'll record it again and match everything for you. This is for educational purpose. So throughout this year, since I came back from my break, I've taken 6 different trades. Today is the first day I've gotten a losing trade. Most of them, they either got me stopped out at break even, or I have a winning trade. All right, so that's basically what happens. I'll come back for the full recording again when I see a setup. All right, traders, so this is the final part of the recording. As it is right now, we have not had that particular trade go in our direction in the London session. That was simply because this high impact news came in during the London session on GBP and Euro. It was a massive high impact news today. So this is the current situation of the market. Let me show you what has happened. Price have actually pushed above this level, having a shift in market structure to that side. Now price is pushing for this buy side liquidity above. You can actually see all the buy side liquidity above here. Price is pushing above it to grab those liquidity. So this is some few minutes to the New York sessions, or even the New York session has started already. Now I will look for opportunity if I see one to go bullish, because this is gonna go in the direction of what is happening. Price coming down into this area, it will be a very good opportunity to go bullish for this particular trade. That is basically what is happening right there. On DXY also, you can see that price has actually pushed into this area on the 4-hour time frame. Price now reached out to this particular order block, never closed below the order block. Probably we may have price pushing up again from DXY. All right, and if DXY is going to be bullish, then we would be bearish on those particular assets. But then let's wait and see, because of the high impact news during New York Stock Exchange Open, we may see some kind of reaction in the market. So this is what is happening currently. I will wait for an opportunity. If I see one, I will take the trade. So guys, this is all about the recording for today. Tomorrow we go again. Make sure you learn something from today's mistake that I've made. The news came in and I was not careful enough to check it. I just go into the trade. I was overconfident. All right, guys, tomorrow we do another recording for educational purpose. If I see any trade, I will record it too, and I will share with you guys tomorrow the outcome of the trade.